Any marshals got their ears on with the yellow team over? Yeah, hear you loud and clear. Ernie said we can start whenever we want. If we start early, it'll just make the first objective longer. If you guys are happy with that, we'll get in position and go for it. Over. I am. Radio check. Over. Check. Over. Yeah, this is Andrew. I am in the woods, just to the right of you, if you like. Straight ahead. Alright, no problem. Cheers. When you've got, I ain't got it coming. Over. Yeah, copy that. Martin and Nathan at Top Ferry Port, over. Fine, looking down the crossroads, over.
Back in! Don't do it.
No, you're pretty screwed in the
They've got
middle,
our position locked in right now. He's going to have to pull back.
Yeah. Go along with. Are you ready to move?
Look like a quick turn. I'm in the pit. We'll go around that far side. Go on the pond.
Tony, we've got enemy call signs moving towards the fort. Over. Roger that.
Red medic! Red medic!
Go it.
Back in! Hit! All you hit! Hit! Any more now?
Yeah, we've got one on the side of the island.
Yeah, that's what I said.
There's like a chicken. Keep an eye that way.
21's down there. My comms isn't working. Microphone's approved. Anyone?
Who went down there?
5 in front of some crossroads.
Hey, so I think I fired 3 shots.
Red medic!
To the point it gets to you, know.
Back in! Back in! Red. Hit! 1 minute! 1 minute! Hit! One in the hut, dark window. Speed reload on camera, eh? Push past and secure!
Behind the roof hook.
I'm falling back to the defending deputy.
You're doing so well.
Hit, by the way.
Hit! Hit!
Dave, I'll call him over. Martin, I'll go through to the back over. You're dead or they're dead, over. Keep right down, Connor. Bring my guns in, please.
That's it! My mag's about 3 rounds and dry!
Have any of you got your ears on her?
Hit! Connor! I'm pushing off! in! Good.
Early, you there? Yeah, I'm here. Sorry, I can't get through to you on this.
Oh, yeah.
With you, bro, just wondering where you were.
How the fuck do you manage to get me? Tiny, tiny. Pretty good bloody run, didn't he?
Apologies!
That's a bonus,
Sounds like a lucky bastards! Fucking hell! Is it time for break? Back in! 2 minutes! 2 minutes! Come on, Connor! Full back now! Come on, find them now! No fucking shit! Go! Keep fighting time for Soviet Union! Back in!
I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it. Need to get some more light.
What? Have you got real bullets?
Huh?
Have you got real bullets? Is it good? Fucking hell, I might bring my mum. He's shot! The only way he's not holding his fucking rifle.
Down there and from down there.
5 minutes!
Fucking
5 minutes!
Burn. Interrupted me. Fucking radio.
Right round. Martin, watch your back, watch your front. Watch your back, watch your front. Look, you up. They're on top of you.
Look, 6 or 7.
Someone go and give Martin a hand, please.